Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Maxi channel. This time around, we prepared something unique. As you all know, we don't usually feature crash episodes, but today we made an exception. In today's episode, you will watch only the best rear-end situations from the world of bikers. Brace yourself for spectacular 15 minutes of epic rear-end moments. Without any further ado, let's start.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Wait a minute. This biker passed the driver and despite that he still got rear-ended? Come on, let's rewatch that.
Boa.
Again, a similar situation as in the previous video. Just what is wrong with these drivers? How can you not notice the biker when he goes past you? There is no way that he wasn't in driver's sight. And yet, moments after the pass, he gets rear-ended.
Чувак, слезай давай.
And what do I see? One of the people from the car had a beer in his hands. I swear, people are acting crazy and without a single care. You'll see in a minute by the way he moves and talks that he's drunk as can be.
Как зовут-то?
Виктор.
Витя. Вот подкинь мне дабл Тёма. Тёма. Дабулочный вот подкинь, бля.
Слушай, я не ебу, где булочная.
Булочная, знаешь как? Вот на вот видишь, ты знаешь на ту дорогу?
Я вообще не ориентируюсь здесь.
Вот смотри, ту дорогу переезжаешь и буквально меньше минуты ехать.
Я по улице не поеду, слушай, я могу до конца парка
Да
подъехать.
нет, вот именно,
Боишься?
ты дорогу переезжаешь и все, и там
Не, я не
по
хочу
двору,
ничего
по двору.
переезжать.
After I did some research, I found out that they were all friends. The guy in the car didn't even have a driver's license yet. They were out drinking and enjoying themselves. Regardless of that, it's still a dangerous act.
В таком состоянии кататься где бы то ни было. Не здесь.
Я понимаю кататься, ты никогда не меня просто
Зачем? Зачем? Ты такой будешь.
Да, ну
Так
пожалуйста,
нет, слушай, ну ты и так такой, вообще заебись.
ну пожалуйста, я, бля, ну
Че ты? Ну реально.
чё вы?
И так,
They'd have to file a police report in that case, and then it wouldn't be so funny all of a sudden. Never drink and drive, people. Maxi team wishes only the best for every driver and rider out there, but people need to learn to take some accountability for their actions. When you're waiting at the traffic lights and casually mind your own business, but no, someone has to disturb your peace by rear-ending you.
What the hell? What's wrong with you? I don't think you did anything. I think you just hit the... I think you just hit my tire. I didn't feel anything other than just the push, but...
I am so sorry. I scared the out of me.
Imagine how the biker felt in that moment. If it scared you as a driver, how was he feeling?
Yeah, imagine me. Are you alright though?
Yeah, dude, I'm good.
It's a golden rule to keep your eyes on the road all the time, people. It only takes just one small, tiny moment of not paying attention, and you'll find yourself in a world full of trouble. Despite the fact that the driver was clearly at fault for this rear end, he still had the nerve to get out of his car, grab his head, and call the biker crazy for some reason.
Parado, mano? Para! Ô louco, rapaz!
Biker got rear-ended by a driver who wasn't paying attention at the road ahead. In situations like these, the most important thing is to ensure the safety of the biker. Everything else comes second, and everything else can be replaced. But life, that's more difficult.
Here we go again.
Let's rewind that one more time, shall we?
Puh. Nee, nee, mir geht's gut.
Always gotta watch those mirrors when you reverse, especially if you reverse in the middle of the road.
Does anyone else hear that? Yeah, and it's getting closer. And it sounds an awful lot.
We've seen a lot of drivers over the past time with a fragile ego here on this channel, but this one, oh god, this one tops it. Wait a minute, hold on a second. Is it me? Or does it look like that this driver purposely swerved into the biker with the attempt of making him crash? Driver in front stops hard due to his vehicle automatic emergency braking system, causing him to stop unexpectedly for no reason. And of course, the biker didn't expect that. As he was exiting the Chick-fil-A parking lot, this biker got rear-ended by a lady who was preoccupied with her food.
You're not gonna... Oh, gosh! I just got rear-ended. I honestly don't see where he hit. Bend it under there.
Just what are the odds of a police officer being there in hiding? Actually, he wasn't in hiding. He was right behind them, and he saw the whole thing.
Well, that was convenient.
Who says that only drivers are the ones who don't pay attention? This time around, it's the biker who turned around just for a split second, and that split second cost him.
Turned my head to look at this car, and all of a sudden, boom.
Thanks, man.
You should never be aggressive on the road, especially if you're on a bike. Unfortunately, this biker learned his lesson the hard way.
Fuck. That is wonderful.
Ooh. Oh.
A lady stopped in the middle of the road. There was no one in front of her, and no pedestrian tried to cross the road as well. Her move took the biker off guard, and he rear-ended her.
chier, quoi.
Bonjour. Hein? Non, non, excusez-moi, mais checkez juste parce que j'ai rien vu sur votre voiture, mais... Non, non, vous inquiétez pas.
C'est que de la carrosserie, je m'en fous un peu. Faut pas que je m'en fous, mais je crois que...
J'ai tapé quelque part par là. Mais je crois que c'est ici. Non, mais c'est moi, c'est moi. C'est juste, j'ai pas compris, j'ai planté les freins, mais ma moto elle a pas suivi, quoi.
Il me semble que c'était... Moi j'ai pas entendu grand chose, mais j'ai eu peur que vous soyez...
Non, non, vous inquiétez pas pour moi.
Je pense que c'est bon.
Non, je crois que c'était ici.
Ouais, ouais. Mais...
Bah, à vous de me dire, hein, parce que...
Non, non, mais pour moi c'est bon.
Ok.
Mais si vous allez bien, vous avez pas pris de coup?
Non, 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 c'est vraiment...
Mais moi j'ai senti un tout petit truc, hein.
Bah, si vous regardez, c'est juste c'est juste mon pare-boue qui est venu s'encastrer sous...
Je m'arrête quand même, j'ai hésité. Ah mince.
Ouais, mais il était déjà cassé, donc bon.
Je m'arrête, mais c'était plus pour vous que vous soyez pas blessé. Je sais pas si vous n'avez pas pris de coup en avant.
Oh non, non, rien du tout. Mais en fait, ouais, elle a mal freiné, quoi, parce qu'elle a des mauvais freins.
Moi j'ai juste entendu un petit truc, moi ça a pas grand chose, mais je pense que ce que j'ai entendu c'est ça. Pour moi, ma voiture elle va pas.
Bah, je sais que j'ai vu que c'est passé en dessous, donc je pense que c'est ça, mais c'est pour vous, c'est...
This has got to be one of the friendliest rear-end aftermath situations ever. They both were so apologetic to each other. Biker came to a fresh scene of a crash aftermath. He got rear-ended and he was sent flying. The impact was so strong that he even lost his shoe, but miraculously he was doing okay.
Ixi, mano. Ô, tá bem, mano? Tá tranquilo? Quebrou nada não?
Possivelmente não.
É, senão não estaria mexendo não. Carai. Que zica, hein?
Biker was really lucky to get out unharmed out of this situation, and clips like these show us how valuable and fragile a human life can be at some points. Pay close attention at the biker in front. During the race, he went over way too close to tire barrier and lost control of his bike. But that's not all. The biker who was behind him also got involved in the accident. This is why the gear is so important, especially in motorsport. One small mistake can lead up to huge problems, and if you don't have proper gear, you're pretty much done for. Despite all that, these bikers suffered some injuries, but bottom line, they were okay.
Apologize. Most important thing, you're safe. So I was very lucky after I hit the bike, I flipped over and landed on my bike, but on top of the tires. So I'm very lucky in that sense. Hey, apa ni SpongeBob? SpongeBob? Come on, Rudy. I just started riding. Now you make me scared.
I dah syok dah. Dengan you kan. I dah syok dah. So I kata, mungkin boleh jauh laju sikit. Lambat sikit kan. Kita punya badan dah penat.
Right. Rudy tired. Yeah. Thanks to our riding gear. Yes, we got full riding gear. Thanks to Shima. Okay, we're trying to get him up. I think it's okay.
With this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully, it was entertaining and educational for you as well. Remember to always keep a safe distance between you and other vehicles, and eyes on the road at all times. While you're at it, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, because it really helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, ride safe and ride smart.